Today, I sit down with Reno King, owner of Armor Coatings, YouTuber, and one of the creators of the fastest growing, most active groups on Facebook, Powder Coating Kings. When does he find time to make and produce all that content? One thing is for sure, Reno doesn't like to disappoint. His Army training and give first attitude has allowed him to rise faster than most. Listen in as we cover how to harness the power of content from followers, fans, and friends to generate buzz for your biz. Despite the video trouble with this interview, you'll hang on to his every word as he offers sage advice on the powder supply industry, how he revs sales in the racing scene, driving your A game, and getting out of your comfort zone. Finally, we discuss the validity of hearing no from your customers. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.